Beginner versus advanced. Although, conjugation. Albeit, conjugation as well. Meaning, used for introducing a statement that makes the main statement in a sentence seem surprising. He finally agreed, although reluctantly, to help us. He finally agreed, albeit reluctantly, to help us. Claim, noun. Assertion, noun. A statement saying that you strongly believe something to be true. Do you have any evidence to support your claims? Do you have any evidence to support your assertions? Fail, verb. Betray, also verb. To disappoint somebody, to be unable to help when needed. How could you fail me? How could you betray me? Lawyer, noun. Attorney, noun. A person who is trained and qualified to advise people about the law and to present them in court. He's a defensive lawyer. He's a defensive attorney. Strong, adjective. Decisive, adjective. Very important for the final result of a particular situation. She has played a strong role in the peace negotiations. She has played a decisive role in the peace negotiations. That's all. Thank you for being with me today. See you soon.